Hey guys, we're here to talk about cold showers today. And I'm gonna take a cold shower, I'm gonna get started, I'm gonna just turn it on, and I'm gonna go for it. There's more than one way to do this. You also can start hot, start with your regular hot shower, and slowly nudge it cold as you're going. That's a good way to get started, that's how I started. But you also can just go for it. And how I recommend doing it is first you got to get control of your breathing. If you don't want to do a breathwork exercise before the shower, that's okay. I recommend you do that. But definitely we need to control your breathing before you get in the shower. So before I even turn on the shower, when I'm in the bathroom getting ready, I start concentrating on my breathing. So I go in through the nose like I'm smelling a flower, and then out through the mouth like I'm blowing out my birthday cake. But I kind of elongate the exhale. And this just helps you stay focused and in your frame of mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the shower, and I have to keep my mind under control, because the first thing that's going to happen is cold shock. The body's going to want to jump out of there and run, and that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to overcome my fear of doing it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the shower, and I'm going to let it get going. And while that's happening, normally what I do is I'll stand here in the bathroom and get my breath work moving, get the breath moving. And as that's happening, I'm already accepting in my head that I'm getting in that shower and there's nothing going to stop me. And that's it. I'm just going to get in there and I'm going to enjoy myself. And it's just going to be for like a minute and a half. I have a stopwatch somewhere. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a stopwatch. I just have this waterproof cheap stopwatch I got from Amazon. No big deal, you can get one of these for a couple bucks. Or another thing I like to do sometimes is I'll pick a song and play it on my phone, and I can hear it playing off in the background. You know, I'll pick a song, a couple minutes long, 2-3 minutes, because you're going for about 2 minutes. You want like a minimum of 2 minutes in full cold, because that's where you're going to get all the health benefits from a cold shower. But I get a lot of questions from people like, how do you do it? How do you overcome it? It's all mindset. And the way you get into the mind is through the breath. The breath is the captain of the mind. Once you have control of your breath and you're thinking, this is no big deal anymore. Okay? So I'm just going to get in. And like I said, just control the breathing. So I'm just going to get in. Ooh, it's cold.
What about the people that get in there and start to panic?
Control your breath. That's the most important part. That's a good pace. Because as I'm doing that, I'm already going into like a meditative state, and the water's kind of just pulling me in. So what you do is when you get in the cold, don't try to run from it. Don't try, accept it. Go into it. Go into the feeling. Like I feel it, it's got sensation, it's cold, but it's not like, I'm not running away. I'm just accepting the situation. I'm letting the water give me, the cold give me the power I've forgotten. Of course I can handle this, just like you and anyone else can handle this. I'm not a superhuman, I'm just a human being, and I've trained myself to be able to handle this cold, and through that I've become just a lot healthier, a lot happier. I've been doing this for a while, so it's not going to have a big effect on me. It may have a bigger effect on you, and that is okay. You can do your head, you can do your face. So the whole thing, what you do is you just look for new ways to basically torture yourself. You get under the armpits, in the back, belly. I like to hit the belly extra because I got a fat belly, and I want to make it less fat. So basically, by chilling it out, I activate more of the white adipose tissue, or at least that's like the hypothesis. I have definitely gotten a lot thinner doing this. I still could improve my diet a bit. But it basically just starts here. This is how you start your cold immersion and start learning how to handle it, is in the cold shower. And after a while, this becomes very non-challenging, and then you're ready to move up into an ice tub or ice bath or even outdoor plunges. Some people say that the showers are harder, and it's mostly some ways I agree to that because you're not fully submerged into the water. So we're at 2:30. You get out, and then when you're in the shower before you get out, you just kind of just shake it off, and you continue your breathing. And then you can get into kind of a horse stance. Warm yourself up. You want your body to warm up naturally. You don't want to go running away. You don't want to do like cardiovascular exercise right away because that gets the cold blood mixing with hot blood, and some people pass out. But you just kind of calmly warm yourself up. Allow yourself to warm up, shake out, and you enjoy your life. Yeah, so you can, like I said, you can do this. You can jump right in cold. A lot of times I jump in right cold. I'll take 2-3 minutes. I almost do this every day. And then I take my hot shower. I need a hot shower to shave my head and stuff. You know, most people need a warm shower to do some other things. But you don't have to take a warm shower if you don't need to. You can just take a cold shower. But if you get in, you start cold, I'll go hot, but then I'll finish cold again. I always finish the shower cold, even if it's like 30-second rinse off, always finish cold. You're training your body to overcome the fear of being cold, because it's really all it is. It's just fear. It's not the cold's going to hurt you or do anything. It's quite the contrary. You're not going to die. You will live fully is what will happen. So that's it. That's the shower tutorial for today. We'll be back with some more videos, and thanks a lot for watching. Click and subscribe. Thank you very much.